morning, crafters. I'm so excited to share with you a new tutorial, and I think this is going to be fun. I'm going to make a St. Patrick's Day banner, and I thought how cute it would be to use the KSCraft heart rosette. Now, this is a smaller one, and I think it turned out so cute. Now, the size of this is 2.5 inches by a little over 2, well, let's just say 2 3/8, okay? So, you just take these two little pieces, and for my background, I wanted a white doily, so I ran these through first, and then I used my pattern paper for the top one. So this is really easy to do. Let me just show you. All you got to do right here is you're going to take your little lace doily one, your bottom layer, and I'm using glue, but you can use tape if you want to, and I'm just gonna glue the back side of this. I just like glue because this one dries pretty quickly, and I can let them dry while I'm working on another one. So you're just going to line these up and butt it right up to the edge, and I'm just gonna burnish it in. Oops, and see, like, it'll move, so I gotta, readjust it. But you're just basically going to line it up and then smooth it down and remove any excess glue. And then I'm gonna do the other side. And if you tape or glue these together, I mean, really, it saves you time from having to fold over and over and over and over again. So this makes it super easy. And I actually learned this from Hannah. She does have a tutorial on this. Okay. Now, I'm just going to set that aside to dry, and I already have a bunch already made. Now, for the bottom of my banner, let me show you something really cute. So I have these really cute little bingo cards, and this fits in the center perfectly, okay? And also, I use the little gemstones that I got from Michael's from Halloween, and the green matches perfectly. So I'm going to do green and silver. And also, you're going to want to cut out a bunch of circles as well, and you're going to want to use your glue gun. You can use tape, but I suggest using the glue gun. It's a little bit easier. And then I made a bottom layer just so that this pops up a little. I might even use foam to, give this more layers, really, is what I'm looking for. And then I'll just pop this in the center, and I think it just turns out so cute. Or I can, put it off, whatever. But anyway, I think it's going to turn out so adorable. But for myself, I have trouble seeing the lines. So what I'm going to do, let me go with one of the ones that is a little bit drier. Okay. So I'm just going to run this through my scoreboard. I'm sorry, I'm going to move this down a little closer to me, so I hope y'all don't mind. But it's every 1/4 inch, okay? So that makes it super easy. So I'm going to do 1/4, 1/2, 3/4, 1 inch, and so on and so forth. So you're just going to keep going across, and that's just so you can re-add in your lines. But you don't have to do this. It's up to you. If you got really good vision, which I don't, you can do it however you want to. But I'm just going to go ahead and re-add in my lines here really quickly. Oops. Let me go backwards here. And we're almost done. And voila. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and add in my fold lines. I'm just going to start off with the bottom and work my way up. And if it gets to be too much in your hand, you can just, start from the bottom. Okay, and so now I have all of that ready. And then I'm going to work on my other side. Sorry, I kind of got a bunch of glue stuck to my hands. That's always fun. Okay, then now I have both of these ready to go. And I'm going to get my glue gun. Okay, sorry, let me move all this out of the way. And what you're going to do is you're going to marry these two bottoms together, okay? So you're going to butt them side by side. You're not going to stack them. Okay. And so side by side, just like that. And rip off any excess. And then I'm going to turn this around, just like so, into a little circle. And I'm going to match these top ones together. Okay. Just line it up. Let me squish that together there. Make it nice and tight. And then this is where your little circle comes in handy, okay? So I'm just going to fold it like this or push it in. And that is going to create my little heart. Is that not cute? Okay. So I'm just going to add my glue on the bottom of this. And I'm just going to push it right on top of there and hold it in place momentarily. Just press it down. Not too hard. You don't want to squish your folds. Guys, I'm so super excited how this turned out. All I did was add some holes here and then just ran my seam binding ribbon through it, and I really love how it turned out, and I can't wait to hang it up in my front hallway. Anyway, I hope you all have enjoyed the tutorial, and I will see you all next time. Don't forget to check out KSCraft Lover Store, AliExpress store, and also their Amazon shop as well. I'm not sure if these rosettes are in here, but if they are, I will add the link down below, as well as the alley. So I hope you all have a wonderful and fabulous day, guys. Bye.